Alright guys, so we're gonna go ahead and get started. Today's unit, we have a bob wig, y'all. We got a bob wig. It's the HD water wave bob wig. She's in the inches of 14 and the density on her is 150%. So I'm just showing you guys what she is looking like straight out the package. She does come with a hairnet. So we're gonna take that off and I'm gonna do my strand test. I noticed that the hair was very soft, like butter soft. I'm pulling out. I did get a few strands here and there doing my test. It's nothing detrimental. It's just something that you're gonna get regardless. This is the lace. I'm gonna put it on my head so you guys can see it up close, but we'll get into the construction. It does come with 4 combs in total, 2 on the sides, 1 in the middle, and 1 at the nape, including the drawstrings. So this is what the lace is looking like. This is what the unit is looking like when you put it on your head, and it looks freaking flawless. I'm just loving HD laces right now because they're very, very thin and they're very, very easy to work with. This is the hairline though. Can we give a minute? Can we applaud the beauty for plucking the heck out of this unit? They did an amazing job. And like I said, if you guys are new to plucking units, I would advise you to get a pre-pluck one, if you're not trying to do it, if you don't know what you're doing, because it will save you a bunch of time and it will have your hair looking bomb AF. Look at that. Okay, they did a good job with that. I'm super, super excited. All right, so off camera, I went ahead and added some foundation. You guys know this is a hack for tinting your lace. If you don't have time to bleach your knots or don't know what you're doing when it comes to tinting, just add foundation. Make sure it is your skin complexion though, because you will be looking crazy out here in these streets. So I'm gonna go ahead and pull it back and I'm gonna go ahead and do my securing method or laying it down. On days I know I'm gonna be out all day, I do make sure I secure my unit all the way. And I love to use the got2b glue gel and the hairspray to do this. And this method is just a lifesaver. Okay, when you wanna, if you're going out to a club, you're going to a party, y'all know I reverted back to, I just use these 2 products. They come hand in hand. I haven't used bedhead when it came to like going out or staying out all day yet, so I haven't tested it, but I know these 2, honey, these 2 products together, your wig is not coming off, your wig is not going nowhere ever. So if you need that extra security, add more layers of the gel and the spray. But I only used the 2 layers of gel and 2 or 1 or 2 coats of the spray, and then I'm gonna go ahead and dry it till it's tacky, and then we're gonna go ahead and lay it down. All right, so I'm just going to go ahead and pull that down right onto the glue, and I'm just going to go ahead and press it in. You can use your I think it's rat tail comb, and you want to press the teeth into the glue so it can just lay flat as possible, or you can just pull it down really tight to make sure it is there. I know some people don't like using their fingers because they state that the oils and stuff can interfere with the product and cause your lace to lift. I use either or. I haven't had a problem with my lace lifting up with me using my finger, but I also go over with another layer of the spray on the outside of the lace just so I can have that extra security. All right, so I'm gonna tie it down, and we're gonna make sure that this unit is not going nowhere. I don't know if this is roller coaster safe. I haven't tried it, so don't quote me. Don't say T told you get on a roller coaster with this method, because I ain't tried it. I don't want to try it with one of my good wigs. So yeah, so I'm gonna take some hot heat and blow it on the scarf. And I love using the silk scarf. It helps, it melts. If you use a cotton scarf, it's just gonna get stuck to your scarf and cause whiting and patches all over the place. So just use a silk scarf if you have it. This is what the unit is looking like once it's been melted. I did do that for about 2 to 3 minutes, and now I'm just going to go ahead and cut off the lace using a eyebrow razor. Eyebrow razors with HD laces are very amazing. Okay, it's so easy. I noticed I always struggled using the eyebrow razors with regular laces because they were so thick, and it would just cause strings and, you know, a lot of tears. So I would rather use scissors and cut jagged edges with the regular laces. But with HD laces, sis, use an eyebrow razor and it just makes everything look freaking flawless. Now y'all see them white line. I'm still working on that. I'm still working on how to blend it. I don't know if the foundation method is doing that, or I don't know, maybe I should try tinting the lace and just trying this method again, because it could be just me putting the foundation on there causing that white line. I don't know, but we'll see, y'all. We'll see. All right, guys, so off camera I did my baby hairs. Y'all already know how I do my baby hairs. Okay, I always do that to cover up that white line, because ain't nobody got time to be checking for my lace. You know, when I do my hair, I always be like, I have to be in back of my head like somebody's gonna check my lace, somebody's trying to see if this is a lace or not. So I had to cover the last line out with some baby hair. So I'm gonna go ahead and do a middle part, and then I'm gonna do my curly hair routine. And today, like I said, I wanted a hold, so I added mousse, water mousse, and leave-in conditioner, and sis, it will have your curl patterns very defined. Another key to having popping curls, of course, you have to have popping hair. Okay, you have to have a wig or a unit like this one that is able to hold in the curls, because some units, when you wet it, the whole the pattern of it, once it dries, it's definitely going to be a difference when your hair dries, but I love to have that pattern that is almost the same when it's dry, you know. So I always use my water, my mousse, and my leave-in conditioner, and it will have your curls popping. And also, you do need a denim brush. I know some people use a paddle brush, but a denim brush, well, sis, it will define your curls like no freaking other. And what I stopped doing was drenching my hair with water, because that takes too long to dry. Okay, so it looks like it's a lot of water going on there, but it's not. And as you guys can see, it's not dripping all over the place. So I don't like to drench my hair because it takes too long to dry. Now, if I'm doing it on a mannequin head, yeah, but if not, But this is pretty much it. Let me know what you guys think. I really think that this look is very natural. It's very easy to style, being that the unit comes just like this. All you got to do is plop it on your head and do your curly hair routine, and you're really ready to go out the door. I really wish I had this unit in the midsummer, because this unit is lightweight, it's not hot, and if you guys are not a fan of long curly hair, this would be the best wig for you. I did have a little bit of shedding here and there throughout the whole process of me installing the unit. It was nothing detrimental. It was something normal that you're going to get with most curly hair anyway, so it's nothing to be alarmed. I didn't have any tangling issues with this unit at all. Like I said, this is her straight out the box. She was nice, smooth, and silky, and very easy to work with. So really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know you guys' thought in the comment section below. And until next time, your girl will see you later. Bye, guys.